Yep.
We're taking off. You don't have to record that.
I'm recording my experience. I've never been on a plane, so I'm recording.
Alright. Wow.
Yes, he did.
Wow.
I never seen anything like that.
Oh, here we go. We're going up, Ma.
You have to go faster first.
Get ready for the open
This is so exciting. Yes. Yet I'm so nervous. I have no idea what's gonna happen. I'm gonna put this in my bag.
Then they're gonna turn it again, I think, and they go forward, and now they're going faster, and faster, and then we hook off like that.
Alaska Airlines. Well, I just missed it, but pretty much that was fine. Other
We had to go all the way down.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Which is
I'm really excited. What's gonna happen? What do you say about this? We're on record.
Oh yeah.
I'm really happy about this. What's gonna happen?
Yeah. No, wait. No.
Team AZ!
Hit it. You hit the TV. Get live. Watch everyone. What do you want?
Maybe they're looking outside. Max, first time flying?
Yeah.
Excited?
So I'm videoing it. Yeah.
Feels so good when you take off. You're gonna feel it in your chest.
Salad and
Okay. I'm gonna feel it. Wait, are they just gonna? Wait, why are they slowing down? Why are they slowing down?
And we've been cleared for departure. Enjoy your flight.
This is American Airline. Coach. Is this? Are you sure this is American Airline?
No, it's Southwest. See?
Oh yeah, this is Southwest.
Look. Look. Southwest.
Oh yes.
They have it right here too. By the way, I'm having a lot of fun. We're currently, if you see that, Southwest. We're currently driving on a airplane. It currently
I'm
riding,
on the
and
Southwest plane. I'm on the Southwest plane.
I hope you guys enjoy these videos because I definitely videoed them just to have my first time experience, and I have no idea what it's gonna feel like. But for
This
one
is the
thing,
Southwest plane.
I'm gonna experience it myself, and a lot of people are telling me it's like a roller coaster. I'm gonna just see what it's like. So I'm just gonna, sled across, and then I'm just gonna go. That's probably what's gonna happen. It's kind of like they're gonna gain speed, and And right now I'm listening to Hero by Skillet, and this is actually fitting the moment. And right now the line is Hero saved my life. Hero was saved me just in time, and then. That's one of the lines, but anyways, right now we're currently still on the plane. I am having a lot of fun. Let's see what happens. Look at how fun it looks. You see that plane? Kind of looks like a shark, whatever. Now we're going, I believe. I think we're about to lift off. This is the moment. Here we go. Here we go, Max. Holy smoke. See, we're going faster. Once we go faster, we'll take it off in the sky. Look out the window. We're lifting off. Here we go. We're off the ground, I believe. Here we go. Woo! Yeah, lift off. This feels weird. Yeah, you see, it's not that hard. It's not that hard, though. That looks amazing, yet I am like so terrified. I know you guys love me and stuff. This is a very long route, and I'm having a lot of fun with this. It'll take 3 hours to get there. Yeah.
Nice living. We missed it. We're already there.
How you doing, bud?
Hey, it's feeling good.
Did you take a nap? No? You did? Yeah, you good now? All right.
My wife. How are you?
No, feels good.
You see we're turning here?
Yeah. Sorry about that. I just have to get a video of this. This is so exciting! having a successful flight, and I believe very soon we are going to be above the clouds. This is a very long route.
Where we going?
I would suggest closing that window now, considering how bright it is, unless it's going to be turning down. So right now, we're currently getting on the plane. Well, we're not getting on the plane, we're already on the plane, but right now, we're up in the air, and look out there, we're probably already leaving for Seattle already. It's probably going to take about 3 hours. We're probably already in Bisbee or some other place like, what is that down there? That looks like Black Canyon City down there. Black Canyon City. Very bright. I know Mom told me to sit on the other side of the plane and Dad there as well. I'm sitting with my partner, Marcus, and my other partner, Alex, and they're currently looking out, and it's very, very bright. I think soon we're going to be stepping out. So I think we're going to be having a fun time. So far it's been great, but I have no idea what it will feel like. Sooner or later we'll probably be touching down on the ground. Mom and Dad, I'm sure they're going to have a lot of fun experiences. I think now we're almost, are we above the clouds now? Are we at the cloud line? I think we're at the cloud line. Once we see clouds, I think I'm gonna end this video. This looks like an awesome video. Like a thing that's Canyon Lake down there. So having a little bit of fun. I think we're straightened out now.
You have to save your battery.